Welcome to this tutorial on how to install the Robinhood app. This guide will walk you through the process of downloading and setting up the app on your mobile device. First, you need to access the App Store on your device. If you have an iPhone, go to the App Store. And if you have an Android device, go to Google Play. Once you are in the App Store, type Robinhood in the search bar and select the Robinhood app from the search results. The app should have a green logo with a white outline of a hood. Click the Get or Install button to start the download process. You may be prompted to enter your password or use fingerprint recognition to authenticate the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. This should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, click the Open button to launch the app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. To create an account, click the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to enter your email address, password, and other personal information. You will also need to provide some basic financial information, such as your employment status and income level, to comply with financial regulations. After you have created your account, you will need to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. This is a standard security measure to protect your account and comply with financial regulations. Once you have verified your identity, you can start using the app to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. The app is user-friendly and provides a simple and intuitive interface for navigating the financial markets. That's it. You have now successfully installed the Robinhood app and set up your account. Remember to always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account and financial information.